The relationship between overcurrent protection devices, known as OCPD, and conductor sizes is a fundamental concept in electrical wiring. Understanding this relationship is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance with electrical codes. This explanation will focus on a table that correlates OCPD ratings in amps with the appropriate conductor sizes, typically expressed in American wire gauge or AWG for smaller conductors and thousands of circular mils, kcmil, for larger ones. The purpose of an OCPD, such as a circuit breaker or fuse, is to protect conductors from overcurrent conditions which can arise from short circuits, ground faults, or excessive loads. When an overcurrent occurs, the OCPD trips, interrupting the flow of electricity and preventing damage to the wiring and connected equipment. The size of the conductor must be appropriately matched to the OCPD rating. If the conductor is too small for the OCPD rating, it could overheat and potentially cause a fire. If the conductor is too large, it's generally safe but less economical. Electrical codes such as the National Electrical Code, or NEC, provide tables that specify the minimum conductor size required for a given OCPD rating. These tables take into account the ampacity of the conductor, which is the maximum current it can carry safely under specified conditions. Let's examine the correlation between OCPD ratings and conductor sizes. A 15 amp OCPD requires a 14 AWG copper conductor. A 20 amp OCPD requires a 12 AWG copper conductor. A 30 amp OCPD requires a 10 AWG copper conductor. A 40 amp OCPD requires an 8 AWG copper conductor. A 50 amp OCPD requires a 6 AWG copper conductor. A 60 amp OCPD requires a 4 AWG copper conductor. A 70 amp OCPD requires a 2 AWG copper conductor. An 80 amp OCPD requires a 1/0 AWG copper conductor. A 90 amp OCPD requires a 2/0 AWG copper conductor. A 100 amp OCPD requires a 3/0 AWG copper conductor. A 110 amp OCPD requires a 4/0 AWG copper conductor. A 125 amp OCPD requires a 250 kcmil copper conductor. A 150 amp OCPD requires a 300 kcmil copper conductor. A 175 amp OCPD requires a 350 kcmil copper conductor. A 200 amp OCPD requires a 400 kcmil copper conductor. A 225 amp OCPD requires a 500 kcmil copper conductor. A 250 amp OCPD requires a 600 kcmil copper conductor. It's important to note several key considerations when applying these guidelines. Firstly, the table provides minimum conductor sizes. In some cases, it may be necessary to use a larger conductor to account for voltage drop or other factors. Secondly, the ampacity of a conductor depends on its insulation type and installation conditions. The NEC specifies ampacity ratings for different types of conductors under various conditions. Thirdly, these conductor sizes typically refer to copper conductors. If aluminum conductors are used, they must be larger than copper conductors for the same OCPD rating due to aluminum's low conductivity. Understanding the relationship between OCPD ratings and conductor sizes is essential for safe and compliant electrical installations. Always consult the relevant electrical codes and regulations to ensure that conductors are properly sized for the OCPD rating and the specific application.